In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from TD Bank to Zell. To begin, open the TD Bank app and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the official up-to-date app and that you're on a secure connection. Once you're in, look for Send Money or tap into the Transfer section. Both paths lead you to the same place. Next, choose Send Money with Zell. Zell is built into the TD Bank app, so there's no separate app required. If you're prompted to enroll in Zell, go ahead and complete that one-time setup. You'll typically confirm your US mobile number or email, pick the TD checking account you'd like to send from, and agree to the terms. You may receive a verification code to finish enrollment. Once that's done, you're ready to send. Tap Send to start a new payment. Now select an existing recipient or tap New Contact if you're paying someone for the first time. Enter their name and either their email address or US mobile number. It's important that this contact info is correct and that it's the one they use for Zelle. A single wrong digit can send money to the wrong person, and Zelle payments move fast. Enter the amount you want to send. Before you proceed, confirm you have enough available funds in the account you selected. TD Bank may have daily or monthly limits for Zelle transfers, so if you see an error, that could be why. For most transfers, delivery is nearly instant once the recipient is enrolled. Take a moment to review the transaction details carefully. Double check the recipient's name and contact information, the account you're sending from, and the dollar amount. This quick pause helps prevent costly mistakes because Zelle payments are designed for trusted contacts and are generally final once they're sent. When everything looks accurate, tap Confirm to send the money. You'll see a confirmation screen, and often the recipient will get the funds right away. If the person you're paying uses a different bank, that's fine. Zelle works across many US banks and credit unions as long as the recipient is enrolled. If they aren't enrolled yet, they'll receive instructions to sign up, and your payment will complete after they do. That's the entire process. Open the TD Bank app, navigate to Zelle, set up or select your recipient, enter the amount, review, and confirm. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.